Sample Focus, new website. Check it out. Let's dig into it. Dig into it. Anything you want as far as loops, melodies, progressions, rises, sweeps, whatever you want. Whatever you want is on this website. Let's see how you do. You want to sign up? You can sign up free account through your Facebook page or your Google account. All right, let's go through some of the sounds. Bear with me. Let's go through some of the sounds. Metro Boomin Crispy Clap. Okay. And it says C, standard license, royalty free. You already know what you do. You can use it. A lot of stuff on here, a lot of stuff. And I guess the person that created the samples is like literally right on the page. So you want to get in contact with them or something, you can do that. Okay. Uploads, collections. 22 people downloaded his stuff. Favorite. Okay. I mean, it seemed like this person is very active. Let's go through, find something else. The cartoon character is good, but I'm just saying, let me see a person. All right. There we go. It's a person. His collection, his stuff he got going on is right there. Full downloads, one favorite. He has a website. We're not going to show him love. Click on to his website. You go to category, pick out what you want. Once you download it, you good. You drag it into a beat, and you make a beat. Got sound effects on here, pluck strings, pads, keys, guitars, field recording, drums, bass, bow strings, and bass. This is a dope website. If you ain't doing that, just check this out, man. I'm going to leave the link in the bottom of the page. Peace.